Kylie Jenner is celebrating her 18th birthday, and so is Tyga. Hey guys, Dax Holt here. So Tyga just posted a photo on his Instagram page celebrating the birth of his girlfriend, Kylie Jenner, and the fact that she is turning 18 today by this photo of her dripping wet and saying, "Happy birthday to the dopest girl ever." Clearly saying, my girl is now legal as can be, let's party. But this was an all-weekend event. It's extended from Friday, where the whole family showed up to Nobu in Malibu. I mean, everyone was there. She rolled up in this cherry red G-Wagon Mercedes, which got a lot of people talking because this is the exact same Mercedes that Tyga had given to Blac Chyna last year and then had it repainted, and now Kylie was out driving it around. But the partying rolled on that night. We got the first photo of Caitlyn and Kris Jenner hanging out together, big smiles on their faces. Then flash forward till Sunday, which was the big party night. Party started at the Nice Guy, the whole family showed up, everyone was there except for Rob Kardashian, but you had Kim, you had Kanye, you said Khloe, James Harden was there, Kourtney was there, everyone showed up to this party, and then it rolled over. That wasn't just one stop for the birthday night, rolled over to Bootsy Bellows, where even more people showed up for her birthday. Joe Jonas, Gigi Hadid, Kevin Durant, Kyle Massey, Nash Greer, Zayn Malik, everyone. And the party was topped off when Tyga pulled Kylie out into the street where he delivered a brand new Ferrari 458 convertible, bright white with a red bow sitting right on the top. Obviously, she freaked out. She thought it was super exciting. It was a huge crowd around there, everyone taking photos. She got into the car to check it out. But what a great birthday. You're 18, you already own a mansion, you got a brand new Ferrari, you are living the life. So at the end of this, happy 18th birthday, Kylie, and happy legal day to you, Tyga.
Hi guys, this is Anna. I want you guys to subscribe to our YouTube page because we have lots of super fun videos coming up, and you know, you guys can put down in the comments like what sort of funny stuff you guys want us. Give me that pillow. Subscribe.